Hi everyone. Today my recipe everyone likes delicious snack potato chips. This is chips potato. Potato is two types. One is very soft skin, another one is little bit crackers is on the top. We can see that. Wash and peel these potatoes. When we are going to peel, we can observe the color of a potato. It is in white color. That is chips potato. If you use a regular potato, chips will not properly like a sharp style. Chop nicely with potato chopper. After chopping, use hot water. Pour hot water into a bowl. Then put the chopped potatoes. Leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, dry on wet cloth. Just 10 minutes only dry it under the fan. Spread all the potatoes. Spread evenly. Do not put two potatoes at a time. Leave it for 10 minutes. Cloth will absorb the water. Then we can fry them. It is very easy recipe. Everyone and every children will like this potato chips. We don't have more potatoes. So if you have 2 to 3 potatoes also, you can do this recipe. A very good snack, but now healthy. Add half cup of water and 2 teaspoon of salt or crystal salt and mix well. Fry the potatoes on high flame. After 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salted water. Choosing the potato is the very important. If you use regular curry potatoes, it will not come chips properly. See, the color will not change. If you using regular potato, it will turn to red color. But this potato, you can observe the crackers on the top of the potato. That is a skin. See, white in color, very crispy. Once bubbles will stop, then we can take from oil. On heat also, it's a crunchy. Add a few chopped potatoes under high flame oil. Add every time 1 teaspoon of salted water. It will release the water from potato when we are using the salted water. Then it will turn to crispy. If you are not using the salted water, it will not turn to crispy. If you have one potato is not fried, everyone will change it to soft. It will not turn to crunchy. See, only 3 potatoes I used. I got this much of potato chips. It's very crunchy and very crispy. If you want These are salted potato chips. If you want any masala, you can add any masala powder or chili powder. You can use magic masala or any homemade masala. I am just adding chili powder. Mix them. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and give a comment and like. Thank you for watching. Do this recipe and give a comment and enjoy the holidays, summer holidays.